The first thing that we're going to do this morning is we're going to build this here firebox. This wall is laying down, so we'll build it on top and then I'll jack the whole thing up. Let's get started. Alright, this is that firebox, chimney, chase, whatever you want to call it. It's framed, we'll put it together now. I know what you're thinking. It would appear to be a little long. That's not a math problem. That was done on purpose. It's got to stick above the roof line. And these trusses here have a 3-foot heel. So the way I've calculated, I'm about 4 feet above the roof, which is what it kind of shows on the plan. I think it's going to be pretty heavy standing it. I'm setting it flush with the floor or flush with the bottom of this bottom plate. It does continue on to those pilings there, but I'll frame that in after. I need nails. on. All right, I'll staple it down, fill in those two pieces OSB, and then we'll get to standing this wall. So what we don't want to have happen is we clearly don't want the wall to go too far that way. So pretty soon I'll have to put a kicker on. So I nailed a post on the outside of the chimney box there, and it's going to hit the ground, hopefully stop it from going out. This is where you can't let the emotion of this get in the way. It's a little terrifying. Yeah, so that went really good. It either goes really good or really bad, to be honest with you. That was successful. Fun. That's Jay flying in his roof. All right, quick sneak peek. This is how it looks. My sheeting goes down to past to the bottom of the pressure treat. This was my post that kept it from falling out. It actually worked good, but I did notice when I had these nails in, it did start to bend these nails. So then I added 3 more up here. end of day 5. Main floor took a lot of shape today. Looking pretty good. Ah. Oh. Yeah, really happy with today. If you're wondering why that wall is a little taller, it's because it goes to the underside of the second floor, subfloor. Ta-ta for now. Thank you for watching. That's always awesome.